Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead. No, I'm not a rebel! You can't do this!
Oh, oh, he done goofed. He done goofed.
Anyone else feel like running?
Wait. You there. Step forward. Who are you?
What?
You picked a bad time to come home to Skyrim.
Oh, okay.
Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the door.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. At least you'll die here, in your homeland. Follow the captain, prisoner.
And just what every game needs, gruesome death.
Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne.
You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend
Oh,
our
God.
souls to Ethereus, blessings of the 8 divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
Wow, okay, rude.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Oh.
There it is again. Did you hear that?
Next said, next prisoner.
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
Oh, God.
What in oblivion is this?
Oh, God.
What do you see?
It's in the clouds.
Oh, man. Oh, God. This is great. Who fucking comment? Oh my God. Oh. Ah!
You need to get over here! Now! That boy, you're doing great. Toro!
Oh man. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, okay.
Feel that thing.
It's too late for that.
Go, 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 go.
Save
Oh god, this is too great.
How's it move so damn far? Damn traitor! Out of my way! We're escaping, Headbutt. You're not stopping us this
He just took a guy.
With me, prisoner. Let's go. Quick, I can cut you loose inside the key.
What? What?
Where are you going?
What?
Barracks is through here.
Why would anyone ever make this? Oh, Jesus, no!
Barracks is through here.
Keep your eyes on it.
Come on, we need to get inside.